Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with my sister today, and you're probably wondering why I look like this and she looks like that.
Trash.
Let the potato rest for 5 minutes. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something really fun that I thought of like literally last night at like 8 o'clock. And I am going to be transforming my sister into me. Piercings, hair, makeup, everything. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I'm excited.
This is gonna be,
this is gonna be fun. So a lot of you guys wanted to see us kind of just talk rather than have music playing over. So we're just gonna kind of try to be ourselves, and we have a little. We should do like the clink.
Okay. Oh, I don't like that.
Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for this black smoky eye?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for black hair?
Sure. This is like so backwards.
Okay, so I'm not going to be in the video as much because I'm going to be working on her face, obviously, because my face is already done. So I'm basically just going to be mimicking this onto her. So we're mostly just going to be looking at this mug. Little knucklehead. Okay, so go ahead and push your hair back. I don't want to, like, rip your ear off. As much as I want to.
God, don't put that in there. I have, like, marks on my armpits. Turn it off.
I'll just take a nap. Alright, so I'm going to use the CoverGirl Poreless Primer, which you don't really need because you have much better skin than I do, but like,
Oh, thanks.
we're just going to use it anyway. So I'm just going to put this on your face.
Oh, this is like just so relaxing already.
Is it?
Yeah.
My nose is running for some reason.
I know, I was like...
If you feel the wetness.
Ew, it's just like dripping down my face.
Sick. Note to self, don't ever make this a career.
Is this like weird? Even though you've done my makeup before?
Yeah, it's like touching someone else's face. It's like...
I have so many people that are like, oh my god, your makeup's so good. Like, you need to do mine, but I get so nervous.
I know. Like, it feels like I'm doing something that I've never done before.
Yeah, like...
It's weird.
You're just... Yeah, it's just not being used to it.
Next, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Star Concealer. Oh, I'm really glad we're drinking alcohol.
Me too.
Yeah. All right. Look up. Gorgeous.
Whoop.
Oh.
Like, literally nothing is funny. I'm drooling.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I, like, never do this with my, concealer.
Yeah, I'm literally doing everything that I would do on my face, I'm doing on yours. Yeah, I always feel, like, bad doing this because it feels like I'm punching you.
No. It's like I'm biting.
You have black eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I use this stuff all the time. It is the bomb.com.
Really?
Yeah. It's like a BB cream, but like a foundation.
Oh.
Like, it has the consistency of a foundation, but it has like the feel of like not foundation.
Right.
It's like kind of, but like not. You have such pretty skin. Am I hitting too hard?
No.
I always feel like I'm hitting too hard when I do this on other people.
No.
Well,
I think because it's like a sponge, it's not like...
That's true. Like, because to me it literally feels like I'm just hitting you. Ah! Why you do this to me, Debbie? Your mother sucks cocks in hell!
Oh, no!
Then to set her face, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Magic Star Setting Powder. I think it's called Magic Star. I think they're both called Magic Star.
Oh.
Doesn't that smell good?
It just smells, like, it doesn't smell bad, but I don't, like, smell, like, a scent.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it literally... Wow! God damn, this powder is awesome. don't you look airbrushed?
Yeah, I really like that stuff.
I'm gonna use a little NARS Laguna. That's like my favorite.
Oh, it's so much fun.
Oh, this is weird. Bronzing someone else's face.
I bet.
Holy! I bronze really weird. Like, I only do the temples.
Oh, really?
But, like, see what it does?
Oh, yeah.
And then for blush, I'm going to go in with this. This is the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani blush palette. And I'm going to use Easy. Which this shit is so pigmented.
Mm-hmm.
Smile. Now we're going to do brows. Since I'm going to be giving you black hair, we're going to make your brows dark. Boom!
Sweet.
Brows are done. Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yours are just a little bit thicker because you have more brow hair than I do.
Right.
Bitch. Alright, so the face for now is good. So now we're going to move on to the eyeballs, which is going to be kind of scary, and I'm going to need your assistance because since I did your face makeup first, and we're going to be using black eyeshadow, you're going to have to hold this underneath your eye as I do it. But we'll use that when we get to, like, the actual, like, black shadow. So for the eyes, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Palette. And we're just going to be doing a very black, dark, smoky eye. So to warm up the crease a little bit, I'm going to start with Gravity, which is right here. Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. So people always say that we look alike. No matter where we go, what we do, people always ask if we're twins.
Yeah.
I wonder how much more we're going to look alike when you're done.
Oh, I know.
Like, that's going to be crazy.
I almost wish we had, like, the same face shape or head shape. Like, I feel like if we had the exact same one, like, we would definitely.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to want you to hold that right there. And the next shade we're going to go into is this very bottom one, which is Black Hole. It's a super dark, super black. So we're going to just start with a very little amount, and I'm just going to start packing that. Close your eye. Can you, like, kind of raise your eyebrows a little? So, like, how do you remove eyeshadow when you have lash extensions?
I just do a makeup wipe and just, like, do it very carefully.
Oh, okay. Because, like, I would feel really bad if you, like, just got a fill and then I, like, ruined them.
Oh, no. I've had them for a couple weeks.
Okay. They look really good.
I know. I really like them.
But I just don't know if I could justify spending that much money on something that only lasts a couple of weeks.
I know. Honestly, what bugs me the most about it is how often you have to get them filled. Like, even though all you
what
have to
does
do,
she, like, recommend?
Every, like, 2 to 3 weeks.
Holy
and, like, well,
shit.
the volume, length, whatever that I have, I've been having to go every 2 weeks.
Dang. So once I've laid down the black eyeshadow, I'm going to go in and kind of blend upwards using this shade, which is called Ghost OG. It's kind of like it's a very, like, interesting shade. It's almost like a green brown or a green gray. It's weird, but I like it. I dig it. And then I'm just going to very carefully. Wow, this is a lot easier than someone else, actually.
Wow.
Start blending that upward. Making it super smoky. I'm kind of giving her, like, what I would wear to, like, a concert. That's kind of the look I was, like, going for.
Wow, that's actually really pretty.
Yeah?
Wow.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
no.
Oh, no. eyes are done. Now I'm just going to go in and highlight. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in, oh my gosh, what is the name of this one? This is in Precious Petals. And I'm just going to like go in and do all the normal spots that I would highlight. Okay, close your eyes. Look up.
Wait, what? It's gonna be so funny. I feel like I'm literally gonna look like you, but like a fat version of you.
Shut up!
Oh my god, I highlight there too!
Yeah?
Twins!
Twins! We're gonna be in
in a minute.
Alright, now it's time for lips.
Wow, you're so fast!
I don't fuck around.
I would still be on my face, probably.
Yeah, I know you would. So I'm gonna line your lips using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner in Caramel Nude. I have herpes.
I was just gonna like mention my terribly chapped lips.
You and me both, girl.
Like putting a lip liner on, it's like.
Maybe a little less.
Let me call your tooth.
What?
We have to do beauty marks too.
Good catch. Her face makeup is done. It is complete. Every single thing she has on her face, I did the exact same on mine. So, let's see. Oh, we're getting there, beach! We're getting there!
I know this is like really unfair, that unless you want to film another idea for you, but can we please film a game night tonight?
Maybe. I thought we were doing the outfit swap.
We are, but I want to do both. I
Jesus
really want to play a
Christ.
game.
Bree! Okay, so now it is time to do the finishing touches. So first, I'm going to have her put on
Yes.
my Hellraiser t-shirt. So go ahead and put that on, girl.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get your hair ready. Alright, so she has my shirt on. She has my makeup on. We're going to remove your little white balls.
That's attractive.
Oh, hell yeah, beach. Actually, if you think about it, you guys, it's me with blonde hair.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's what it looks like.
Right, so now I'm going to be transforming her to having blonde hair to black hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like pull your hair back like this so no blonde sticks through. Yeah. And just kind of do like a low pony moment. And then what I'm going to do, now this is going to look kind of weird, but I'm going to take some black hair extensions and I'm going to like clip them.
Ew, triggered.
Why? I'm gonna push.
I
Hard.
haven't had black hair in so long. Oh my god, it's been literally like 11 years.
Oh, wow.
You know, I was like a teenager and...
Yeah.
Like, really gothic.
So gothic.
I totally wasn't, though. That was like the biggest, like my biggest pet peeve. We're like, oh my god, you like gothic? I'm like, no, I just wanted to like dye my hair black.
Yeah.
We should send a picture to mom.
Oh my god, we should.
Do you think she'd love it or list it?
Looks like a cheap Halloween wig.
It does.
Ha! Okay, so now that's done. Now you need a beanie. So go ahead. I'm gonna give her this beanie to wear. It's just like a black one with like little studs on it. It's like one of my favorites. Pop that on, girlfriend.
Oh, this is weird.
Oh my god.
Ew, I don't like it.
Hey.
Ew, I'm so ugly. It's like I'm looking at myself, but it's you.
Oh my god. I am shooketh. Oh. Oh my god, Brooke. Oh my god, this actually worked.
Why?
This is fucked up. So now I'm gonna be giving Brooke my piercings.
My name's Bree. I'm just kidding.
Excuse me. I'm gonna be giving Bree some piercings. Oh, is that? That's too.
Oh, ticklish.
Here, kind of like. No, normal.
Oh.
The double nostril piercing. So I'm literally. Oh shoot! I don't know how this is gonna like work. Maybe like that. If we just do it really carefully. Alright guys, and here is the completed look of transforming my sister into me. What do you guys think? Did we do a good job? Do we look alike? Like seriously, when you were just sitting over here and I was like in the background, I was like, oh my god,
yeah,
it was just like me.
It was the weirdest feeling.
I mean, obviously I have like way bigger horse teeth and like way more wrinkles, but...
Our face shapes are like completely
Oh yeah,
different,
like I think that's like the biggest factor of how you can tell us apart is our face shape.
Yeah.
Like yours is more round and you have more of like a fair skin, and mine is more like narrow,
like slender and
yeah. I don't know. I think this is pretty cool. Like
I do too.
With the piercings and everything, like I don't know. I think we rocked it. So you guys will have to let us know what you think. Did we do a good job? Do we look alike? Because I think the resemblance is pretty uncanny at this point. Like, oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down and give a huge, huge thumbs up. This was so much fun. If you guys are new to my channel, I just want to welcome you. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel, so make sure you go down and subscribe. My sister also has a YouTube channel and Instagram and all that stuff. I will, of course, leave all of that linked down in the description box. That is all that we have for now. We are going to go take some pictures and go prank some people. So, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.